How to use AI to automate tasks and generate income. Automate writing tasks. Market your services to potential clients and use your AI-powered tool to deliver high-quality work. You can use AI to create engaging online courses and generate revenue. With AI-powered tools, you can create interactive content, personalize learning experiences, and track student progress. Example, create an AI-powered online course that adjusts to each student's learning pace and style. Determine your area of expertise and the topics you want to cover in your course. Use coding languages like Python or JavaScript to build a platform that can create interactive content and track student progress. Promote your course to potential students and use your AI-powered platform to deliver a personalized learning experience. AI is an exciting field that can generate passive income and create new opportunities. Whether you're interested in trading, freelancing, or online education, AI can help you achieve your goals. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more AI content. Comment below with your favorite AI-powered tool or application, and let's discuss how AI is transforming industries. Stay up to date with the latest AI trends and opportunities by subscribing to my channel. Help others discover the power of AI by sharing this video with your friends and family.